Michael Fountain, your Tours in British Columbia field reporter for the Kootenay Rockies. Today I'm on another highly recommended adventure. Greg from Bull River Guest Ranch told me that I should go do some kayaking.
Maybe try some kayaking on the Kootenay Lake.
I've done a little bit of kayaking, but not a heck of a lot. I'm standing on the shores of the Kootenay Lake. Well, actually I'm not on the shores of the Kootenay Lake, I'm across the street from the shores of the Kootenay Lake. I've been really fortunate and I found someone right now who's going to take me out and we're going to go cruise around the lake on a kayak and maybe even a canoe.
I'm Bob Hellman, owner of Hellman Canoes and Kayaks. It's just a premier day to be out there paddling.
I'm getting ready to go. The lake looks just stunning. It's almost like glass. The sun is just coming up over the mountains and it is warm. It is beautiful. 1 foot in, both feet in. And you're in. All right. It's really remarkable. What a beautiful way to spend some time. Let's duck in the shore and grab the canoe. I wish I had a couple fishing rods, but hey, nothing's perfect. But this is pretty darn close. Bob, thanks so much. That was a fantastic trip. Really enjoyed it.
Well, thank you, Michael. It was a pleasure.